we have to. So what is the first step? So first you need to be understand this is the problem belonging to the ratio to trend method. Ratio to trend method. So what we need to do, and you have given the data in terms of year, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Fine. So what we do, first of all, we will create a table, okay, because we want to we should get that estimate using the trend method. So trend method के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Anyone remember what we do in the trend method? Like last time, like some of the problems we did, how to estimate the trend value. Anyone remember? So what you do first, just find out average value for the data like this. Okay. So we are interested to get the trend value. तो trend value कैसे निकालोगे आप? Trend value के लिए हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? सबसे पहले IT होना चाहिए, which is a dependent variable, and we have an independent variable. Correct? Because to get the value of a and b, like making the equation y is equal to a plus bt, इसके लिए अपने पास yt होना चाहिए और t होना चाहिए. तो t you'll be get it like t is your year, okay, which you can take it like t dash. So t minus 19. This is the middle point. The middle points I have told you. Remember, whenever we have given year and if we are interested to get like a t, so I can always take the difference of median value. So median क्या है इसमें? 1981 है. So 1981 से when you subtract each number, you get -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So the sum becomes 0. This is the sum value. And yearly average value कैसे निकालोगे? Yearly average means you need to be, because it is 1979, so take the average of these four values and divided by 4. So can you check whether this is getting 35 or not? Just check whether you're getting 35 or not and let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly you can do it for all the year, and this is your yt, this is your yt, and this is your t. So you feed the data of x comma y in your calculator like this much data and get the value of a and b directly. It is something like this is your x, this is your x, this is your y. Feed in the linear regression mode, you will be get the value of a and b. एक ये मेथड है. दूसरा मेथड क्या है? You find out, you know the normal equations, right? So yt is equal to a plus bt. So we have summation of yt is equal to na plus B times summation of T, I can put dash also, no problem. And the summation of T dash YT is equal to A times summation of T dash plus B times summation of T square. T dash square. So either you can use normal equation, okay, or you can feed the data in terms of T dash and Y, and using this or using this, you may get the value of A and B. So A you will be get check what is the value of A getting. Let me know. What is the value of A you are getting? Is it 56? And B is 12. Let me know. Either you use this model, okay, and this is the normal equation based on this model, or you can use just feed the data in linear mode, like T dash and YT. ये दोनों डेटा, ये और ये फीड करो और चेक करो आपको आंसर ये और बी मिल रहा है कि नहीं. If we are getting, go to chat box and write down yes. If no, then you can ask question, no problem.
Sir, A 48.246 है.
A is coming. Is that same answer? A is
48.246 sir.
huh?
48.246.
The value of A. Because I'm getting something different answer. A is coming 56 and B is coming 12. Can you cross check?
Yes sir.
Or anyone got it? Nisha got the same answer. Anyone else got the same answer? Let me know in chat box. So far Nisha got. Anybody else?
Yes sir, Mila. A56, B12 and R 0.973.
Correct. So once you get the value of A and B, now you have to find out trend value. So trend value कैसे निकालोगे? YT is equal to 56 plus 12 times T dash. क्या करना है आपको? ये T dash का वैल्यू आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है here. तो आपको ट्रेंड का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. So this is called trend value. So substitute -2 here. So -24 plus 56. See whether you're getting 32. Check it.
Yes sir.
Everybody getting same answer. See, we are going very slow. We are going, since our network is also very slow, we are going to very slow also. Okay. So I hope everybody is solving the problem, not simple listening.
Same आएगा sir.
Yeah. Now after that, what we need to do? Now since the value of A and B, So what this basically trend line represents? So we got yt is equal to 56 plus 12 times t dash. So what this 12 represents here? This 12 basically represents there is a quarterly increment. Sorry, there is a yearly increment by 12. There is a yearly increment because we have found yearly average. So yearly increment will be the 12. So what will be a quarterly increment? So if I am saying yearly increment is equal to B, usually this is B, right? This is your A. So yearly increment is 12, which is equal to 12. So what could be a quarterly increment? Anyone? Which is simply 3, which is 12 upon 4. Which is 12 upon 4. Because when you have yearly data, if you want to convert the quarterly, what do you do? Divide by 4. You'll get quarterly data. Okay. So now you have the value A is this and B will be the 3. Okay. Now next task is very important. So अभी हमने क्या किया? So far we did first point. Can you look at obtain and estimate the trend values by the method of least square by fitting the mathematical curve. मेरा first point हो गया. मैंने क्या किया है? Trend value निकाला है using method of least square. This is my trend value. So first point is over. Now second point क्या करना है? We have to express the original data as a percentage of trend value. क्या करना है? मेरा जो डेटा है उसको मुझे क्या करना है कि कन्वर्ट करना है परसेंटेज टू ट्रेंड वैल्यू. So how to convert the data in terms of percentage to trend value? तो ध्यान से देखो अभी. Let's look at here. This is my data. Okay. There is one very important concept is there. I don't know whether you remember or not. Which I'll just write down here whether you can understand or not. Let's see. See. Now, what is the trend value for the year 1979? Which is 32. Correct? Which is 32. So now we need to be obtain quarterly trend values for the given data first of all. Okay. So this is my data. This is my data. We need to be obtain quarterly data. Okay. Need to be obtain the quarterly data for the year. So let's see this. Just let me know whether you can understand or not, because this is something little bit not easy, but let us try to understand. So this is basically my I will just add one more of this. Basically all are trend value. All are the trend value. So how to obtain the trend value for the first year? 1979 का मेरा ट्रेंड वैल्यू आता है 32. ओके 1979 का मेरा ट्रेंड वैल्यू आता है 32. So I'm just writing here, whether just check whether you can understand. Calculation of quarterly trend values. So like how to calculate these trend values. So this is the steps. So for understand, for the year 1979, the trend value, what is the trend value? 32. Okay, the trend value is 32, comma, which can be the average of, middle 2 quarter. Full stop. Hence, the trend value for middle 2, that is second and third quarter, quarters, will be 32 minus 1.5 equal to some answer. Means you will get some answer for that. Maybe it is 30.5 and 32 plus 1.5 equal to 33.5 respectively. Full stop. Then the trend value values for first and fourth quarter will be, understand how we're getting this, 30.5 minus 3 equal to 27.5 and 23.5 plus 3 equal to 26.5. Something is wrong. Not 23, it is going to be
33.5 plus.
Yeah, 33.5. 33.5 plus that value. So whether you can understand or not, I don't know. Just check. जस्ट चेक क्या किया है, मतलब ये क्वार्टरली डेटा हम लोग कैसे निकाल रहे हैं। तो क्वार्टरली डेटा निकालने के लिए देखो मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने ईयर 1979 का मैंने ईयर ले लिया पहले, इसका ट्रेंड वैल्यू कितना है
लास्ट
मैंने
में
मैंने कॉपी कर लिया।
36.5 आएगा ना?
सॉरी बोलिए।
सर
एडिशन सर
33.5 प्लस 3
36.5।
सर एडिशन इज इक्वल
हाँ
टू सर
हाँ हाँ
36.5 आएगा ना?
करेक्ट 36.5 सर 36.5 करेक्ट। तो मैंने क्या किया है, आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, लुक एट द स्क्रीन, लुक एट द स्क्रीन। 1979 का मैंने ट्रेंड वैल्यू लिया, कितना है 32, वो लिख लिया मैंने यहाँ पे। वो कहां से होता है, एक्चुअली दैट इज द एवरेज ऑफ मिडल टू क्वार्टर्स। मिडल टू क्वार्टर्स मतलब क्या, व्हाट इज द मिडल टू क्वार्टर्स, ये दोनों मिडल का क्वार्टर का एवरेज होता है, ओके। बट हाउ टू ऑब्टेन दीज टू क्वार्टर्स, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क, okay. So let's find first that. Hence the trend value for the middle two, second and third quarter will be, कैसे निकाला मैंने, देखो 32 मैंने लिख लिया, और मिडल क्वार्टर निकालने के लिए, सिंस इट इज अ मिडल, इट इज नॉट टोटल, तो जब कभी भी मिडल रहेगा यू सबट्रैक्ट ऑलवेज 1.5, बिकॉज आपका क्वार्टर डेटा कितना है, क्वार्टरली इट इज 3, क्वार्टरली इट इज 3। तो मिडल के लिए, मिडल को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए ऑलवेज यू हैव टू डू 1.5 सब्ट्रैक्शन, एंड थर्ड के लिए यू हैव टू ऐड 1.5। सिमिलरली फॉर फर्स्ट वन के लिए आपका जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू मिला है, दैट इज सेकंड वैल्यू जो मिला है, वो वैल्यू एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.5, सब्ट्रैक्ट क्वार्टरली डेटा, एंड फोर्थ वन के लिए टेक थर्ड that value which you are getting and add 3, you will be get the 36.5. so middle के लिए, second के लिए subtract करो, third के लिए add करो, but 1.5. similarly first and last के लिए, first के लिए हम लोग डेटा यूज करेंगे second का क्वार्टर जो मिला है वो, and subtract करेंगे 3 and add करेंगे 3 fourth वाले के लिए, okay. I don't know whether I can explain it proper way or not, but this is the way you have to do it for all the quarter. So you just work out and let me know whether you can do it, so that I will just copy the, like I have the like answers with me, I will just paste that answer. So just check whether you can, and let me know that whether you can do it or not. एक चेक करो आंसर आपको मिला है कि नहीं मिला है. If you are not getting, then let me know. If anyone having any questions, let me know. No problem. I'll repeat once again. अच्छा वो गया क्या नक्शा? Just a minute. Because we want to copy this, no? So that is the important step. तो आपने जो ये सेकेंड वन निकाला है, ये आपको मिडल में लिखना है, और दिस इज द थर्ड वन. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का 27.5 मिलता है, थर्ड क्वार्टर का 36.5. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर 1980, 1981, 82, 83. Okay, just do it. Just think little bit and let me know in 5 minutes if you have any questions. Go to 1980 के लिए निकालो, 1918 का ट्राई करो आपको आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. तो 1980 के लिए सेकेंड आपका ट्रेंड वैल्यू लो 44, और उसके ऊपर वर्कआउट करो आपको क्या मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, एंड लेट मी just write it down in chat box, chat box. Yes, everybody got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any question related to this? Take your own time, do it and tell me. No problem at all. We will do it only these sessions, these two practicals. Yes, students, I hope you have done this, at least the quarterly trend value. अभी क्या करना है अपने को? Now we will convert this basically trend value as a percentage value. So this is nothing but, this is called as, this table is nothing but percentage, I will say given values as percentage of trend value. Okay, this is my trend value. So I'm getting some connectivity problem again. Can you see the screen, students? Students, can you see the screen? Yes. Am I audible?
बिल्कुल नहीं है। हाँ सर, यस सर।
तो देखिए ये क्या हो रहा है मालूम है, थोड़ा सा मेरे कनेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. Maybe it is less just like hitting again and again, but I will be reconnecting, no problem. So now you have to convert this, the whatever the value got it, you have to convert it in terms of percentage to trend value. And you know how to convert percentage to trend value? कैसे करना है देखो, 27.5 divided by फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का डेटा इंटू 100 करके देखो कितना आ रहा है. चेक करो कितना आ रहा है, क्या चेक करो 109 आ रहा है क्या, प्लीज चेक. क्या किया डिवाइड हमने? यस, हैव यू चेक, एनीवन चेक? 27.5 डिवाइडेड बाय योर एक्चुअल टेबल का ओरिजिनल डेटा. ओरिजिनल डेटा क्या है तुम्हारा 30. देखो कितना आ रहा है, व्हाट इज द आंसर कमिंग? और 30 अपॉन 27.5, सॉरी आपका ओरिजिनल डेटा कौन सा है? ओरिजिनल डेटा, दिस इज ओरिजिनल डेटा राइट? कैन यू हियर मी स्टूडेंट्स? May I audible to all?
यस सर।
This is the original data, and this is the data which you have just obtained using the trend value. तो क्या करना है, ओरिजिनल डेटा ऑफ द सपोज 1979 का आपको परसेंटेज टू ट्रेंड वैल्यू निकालना है. तो ओरिजिनल डेटा 30 है, ट्रेंड वैल्यू डेटा 27 है. तो 30 अपॉन 27.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करके देखो कितना आ रहा है, 109 आ रहा है क्या? And similarly to all, you can take any one, you can randomly take any data like,
यस सर,
yeah,
109.09।
exactly. So you have to do it like this. सब डेटा ये लिख के लो, कॉपी करके लो, उसके बाद का स्टेप्स आपको मालूम है. एवरेज निकालने का, यू नो, एडिशन ऑफ दिस डिवाइड बाय 5, एडिशन ऑफ दिस डिवाइड बाय 5, फिर इसका ग्रैंड एवरेज निकालने का, फिर सीजनल इंडाइसेस, you know how to obtain this upon grand, and so on. So you can just finish it that. So you can just finish this practice. अभी सब फिनिश करो. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो प्लीज आस्क मी अगेन एंड अगेन. आई एम रिपीटिंग. Any steps which you didn't understand, let me know.
सर सीजनल इंडेक्स कैसा है?
Serial index is same formula, average upon total.
Average upon total. Okay, sir.
Average upon grand average multiply by 100. We are using the seasonal index is the same formula जैसे हम लोग previous use करते थे. Yes, any question, anyone? So just finish this practical. I think I have already uploaded this practical in your GC. You can download that. You can finish this practical also. So now we are left with the new chapter. We are left with the next chapter, which is the index number. And index number having two practicals. तो एक ये आपका यूनिट 3 बचा है और उसके बेसिस पे you have a two practicals. Okay. So with this your this practical is over.